So hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior Design. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, and then don't forget to turn that notification bell, so as whenever we post this incredible content, you will be the first one to be notified whenever we post. So over here it is a 4-bedroom house. Even though you are just giving you an update, you have already toured this house. If you are my loyal subscriber, and I think you have saw this. So we are just moving. Only I think the thing that we have done here, it's only we have done. I think the house is ready to be welcomed. I think everything is over. So it is only cleaning that is only remaining, and only plumbing work. I think on this next coming tomorrow we'll be doing our plumbing work. So I'll just give you an update of this for a 4-bedroom house. And then so over here, this is a beautiful entrance that you can see. It has pillars that you see, there are 4 in number. And then, like you can see, our molding work, it has been already done. And then like you can see, it's perfectly done with our fundi. And then at down our the tilings that you can see, it's a very beautiful welcoming tiles that you see over there. And then even our roofing, we installed the outside ceiling, so as to prevent maybe those animals that maybe have access towards our house. So I will let you inside, and then you see how amazing it is. So like you can see, this is the beautiful corridor that you can see there. And then I show you, there's another thing that is over here. This is the creativity that we always want in a construction. Like you can see, we just think that maybe, so as we don't just put a flat, so as maybe if you are coming, you can slide when it is flat, but we just introduce these things that you can see there, so that if you slide, there's at least an obstruction that will be caused here, and then you'll not even fall down. So we come inside, and then like you can see here, these are beautiful hanging rods that we install here, so that will be supplying the sufficient light on this corridor. And then over here we have these are double door. Like you can see, it's a double door, and then there's a mirror that we install here. It's a 3-in-1. It's a 2-in-1. So if you're inside, you can't see the one that is inside. When you are outside, you can't see the one who is inside. So this is the beautiful corridor. Like you can see, it has 2 corridors. This is the first corridor, and the other corridor, it's over there. Like you can see, at the upper part, the interior work we have already done. Like you can see, it is almost, let's say it's done. We have installed these beautiful hanging rods. Like you can see, there are 2. The first one is over there, and the second one is over there. This neck light is already operating. Like you can see, even the downlights, they are already operating. So, and then there's wall bracket, like you can see. So there was 2 wall brackets. So like you can see, we have installed it, that one over there, and the other one, and is there at the exit while you enter the next corridor. And then on this other side, we have this molding. Like you can see, we decided to paint a gold, like you can see, for this sitting room. So like when you just come from the sitting room, the first thing that you will see is the beautiful TV stand that you can see here. It is a modern TV stand that now, I think everyone is looking to go with this one. So we have come out from the gypsum work, but we are on this modern TV. Like you can see, it is installed with a marble, PVC marble, and then with the panels that is over there. And then at upper part, the provision for the storage, like you can see, it is really equipped. If you have maybe your mods, you can just over there. Maybe you have your glasses, drinking glasses, you can adjust. We have already provided. Like you can see, is we have already installed everything over here. Maybe you have your documents, you can come just and then you have access everything over here. And then on this end, like you can see this shelf, so maybe you have maybe decors like let's say like flowers, you can just maybe you can put it over here, or maybe glasses you can just have and then arrange them over here. So this is the modern TV. And then like you can see we have installed 2 wall brackets on the this side, like you can see. So this is the first one and the second one is at the other end. And then on this TV, on this marble, like you can see we have installed our warm snake light that is over there, like you can see, so as to beautify. On the upper part for the ceiling, like you can see, this we went with this simple design, but this is not a gypsum. We used a normal design the normal ceiling board to design this ceiling that you see over there. So this is the chandelier that is over there, like, and then it's it changes its color. So like you can see, and then you have had it's a Bluetooth. You can either connect with your phone, or you can have your USB fully recharged with the songs, and then you come and then you put it over there. I think I had a remote, but I will show you on when you have finished its features at later. And then over here we have this fan, is a roach fan that will be have to, let's say it will be just quiet, it will be the one that will be at least bring the cold on this house. We are in Garissa, and then the temperature over here is always at least it is a little bit higher than the other villages. So we have to install a provision for the air of for the cooling system over there. And then we have installed the downlights, like you can see, and even we have done our snake light. It is on doing. So we'll just have to this is the dining room that you see over here. It's quite it's just amazing. It's we have done the electrical part fully. And then even see here, this is a sliding window that we installed on this to have, so as like you can see, if you want to have maybe food, you can just slide it and then you have it, and then after you have finished, you can just come and then close it, so as to just not if you are inside, you can you see the operation that is going towards our kitchen, and then maybe the one is in kitchen, so as to not have interfered with the activity that is going towards this dining. On the upper part, like you can see, we have a full moon at the center, like you can see, and then there's here a fan, a roach fan, and then there are 2 wall brackets. So the first one that is over there, and the second one, it is installed over there. And then our snake light, it's even working, and then our down light is even operating. So I will let you to the bedrooms, and then so guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share. My analysis, YouTube, the analysis, they show that most of 70% of my viewers, they have not yet subscribed. So kindly, if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. And then this is the second corridor. Like you can see, it's of different design with the other corridor that is over here. It's quite different, like you can see. So we have already installed our like you can see, this is the hanging roof that is over here, and then this is the wall bracket, the snake light is operating, and then we have installed our downlights. So on this other side, on this hand, we'll be going to the public toilet, and then here is the bedroom, and then here is a master bedroom. So let's welcome you to the master bedroom. Like you can see, this is the master bedroom, guys. Everything is installed, even the windows. Like you can see, the windows, it is of sliding. We have already installed it. like you can see over here, it's already done everything, only plumbing work that is not yet complete. And then the design, at the centerpiece, we install this chandelier, and then a fan at the end of it, and then the wall bracket, it's even running. The downlights, we have installed it. The wall brackets, there, like you can see, this is the second wall bracket, is all operating. So this is the master bedroom. On the other side, this here, we can call it, this is the entrance that leads us toward our dressing room. So this is our dressing room. Like you can see, we have finished installing our wardrobe. So like you can see, this is the wardrobes that the owner of this house will be using, or for his for the storage of his or her own clothes. Like you can see here, we have provided this for, let's say, for if you have clothes like suit or anything like coats, you can have it hang out over here. So, and then the good thing with this, our wardrobes, they go up to the ceiling point, like you can see at the top over there. So this is another second provision for the storage for clothes, like you can see. And then here, like you can see, here is a provision for the, let's say, like documents, you can have it over here. And then there's another one, maybe it's for shoes, you can just have it over there. And then the good thing for this, like you can see, if maybe me and you, the viewer, you can see the secret. So I will show you the secret that is over here. So the secret over here, when maybe a thief comes, he will see this like a dressing mirror, but it's not a dressing mirror. At the end, you can just slide it at the end, and then you will have, maybe if you have money, you can just come and then you put it over here. So this is the secret in between me and you, the viewers. But maybe if you have, for the first one to enter here, you will see this one like maybe a dressing mirror. But if you want to use it, you can just slide it, and then you will have to access this. Maybe you have your secrecy that you will be using over here. So that is another features that we like, us, the innovation that we always want to go with it. So this is the master bedroom bath that we can see over here. The plumbing one, like this is the shower, and then this one is only remaining to install the toilet only, like you can see over there, and then our hand basin that will be installed there at later. So the tiling, like you can see, we have already finished installing our tiles, like see over there. So even our sliding window for this kitchen, for this toilet, it is already installed. So I will let you to the second bedroom, of which the second bedroom is quite smart, like, as compared to the other two bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. Like you can see, it's quite spacious, and then we have already installed everything. The sliding windows, there are two, there is first one and the second, and then at the upper part, like you can see, we have already installed everything. This is the hanging doors. It has a fan, it has a wall brackets, it has a snake light, and it has like you can see, the downlights. And then even on this side, there's a provision for the clothes. This is a cabinet, like you can see. This is the provision for the owner that will be using this. Will be installing he will be putting his or her own clothes over here, and then this for documents or whichever way. And then, like you can see, you can put it here, your shoes. And then here, this is another, let's say, this is another secrecy. This one is not the same with the other one. So this one, is the other one for the master bedroom. You are to slide it, and then it's open. But this one, you just come and then you push it on, and then you will have your operation. That maybe you have anything that you want to secrecy, you will put it over here. like you can see guys, if yeah, it is closed. No one has an idea that these are maybe it has some maybe cabinets inside here, but me and you, the viewers, you are, and the owner of this house is the one that will be, he has idea. So you'll just come and then you put it on like this, and then you have, then you close it. No one has an maybe idea of it. So welcome to the, I will let you to this the public toilet. So this is the public toilet, like you can see. The toilets are all, they are over here. These are the only the fundi, we are waiting for fundi to come and then install it over there. So this is the public toilet, like you can see. The shower, you have installed it, and then even here, these are soap dish. Is let's say you have just modernized it for it. It's a customized bed, soap dish. We just put it, have a tile, and this, like you can see over here, and then we put it over here. This is like, it's like a man-made. This is just customization for the soap dish. So I will let you to the third bedroom. So this is our third bedroom, guys. I think the lighting is not yet. The issue with this area, it has a low voltage. There's some bulbs that it can work under this the voltage, but this one will change it at the end of the day. So this is the second, the third bedroom. It has a single window, like you can see, it's of sliding, and then even here we have the wardrobes, like you can see over here. So each and every room we had to install wardrobe, and then like you can see, these are for your documents, and then maybe for your shoes. And then over here, this one is like of same. There's you just the other ones to push that, but this one you push outside. So like you can see, and then you just push outside, like you can see. And then at the upper part, we have enough storage for the provision for your everything that will be used to require to install over here. So I will let you to the fourth bedroom. So this is the fourth bedroom, guys. Like you can see, this is the fourth bedroom. Like you can see, it has two windows. So the first one there, the second one, and then the fan we have installed is a white fan. It's, even though it's a roach, the bulb is working. And then we have here provision for the clothes, the closet that is over here, like you can see. And then this like you can use this for your shoes. And then even this one, you need you'll need to push it outside, like you can see over there, so as to have your privacy over that one. So but if you have no idea, this one will think that is like a dressing mirror only. So I will let you to the kitchen. So guys, this is the kitchen, like you can see. This is the kitchen. It's we have already done everything. The only thing that is remaining is only plumbing work. So this is the kitchen. The working top is over there. The window is over there. The socket is over there. This is the cooker that will be installed there. And then, like you can see, we have already this is the provision for the, like you can see, for if you have an extra things that you can put over there. And then if you see here, this is the high level that is over here. We have already installed it to the top. And then this here, this is the pantry. This is the pantry for this house. Like you can see, we have already provided the provision for the storage for the foods or other food stuff on this side. So guys, if you have watched up to there, guys, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment, everything. So let's meet on the next video.